Welcome to Harmony and Health, and thank you for your time. Over the next few minutes, you will be learning about the health benefits of olive oil, how to incorporate olive oil into your diet, and how to choose the best quality olive oil so you can reap all the health benefits we will be discussing. Let us begin with some background information on olive oil. Considered a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, olive oil has been celebrated for centuries for its versatility in cooking and numerous health benefits. Extracted from the fruit of the olive tree, olive oil is loved across many cultures and cuisines for its rich, nuanced flavors and its significant contributions to well-being. The health benefits of olive oil are many, but the next part of the video will focus on 5 key benefits. These benefits are supported by scientific literature and nutritional insights. 1. Heart health. Of the most compelling benefits of olive oil is its positive impact on heart health. Rich in monounsaturated fats, particularly oleic acid, olive oil has been shown to lower the risk of heart disease. Studies suggest that these healthy fats can reduce inflammation and may have beneficial effects on genes linked to heart disease. Moreover, the presence of antioxidants known as polyphenols in extra virgin olive oil helps protect the blood vessels and maintain arterial health. Regular consumption of olive oil has been associated with lower blood pressure, reduced cholesterol levels, and a decreased risk of stroke. 2. Anti-inflammatory properties. Besides heart health, olive oil also has anti-inflammatory properties. This is good to know because chronic inflammation is thought to be a leading driver of diseases such as cancer, heart disease, metabolic syndrome, type 2 diabetes, Alzheimer's, arthritis, and even obesity. Olive oil contains bioactive compounds that have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. One such compound is oleocanthal, which has been shown to work similarly to ibuprofen in reducing inflammation. This protects the body from the harmful effects of chronic inflammatory diseases. 3. Olive oil also has antioxidant benefits. Antioxidants are essential for protecting the body against free radicals. These are unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage, contributing to aging and various diseases. The antioxidants in olive oil, including vitamin E and polyphenols, not only combat oxidative stress, but also help prevent the oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a key factor in the development of heart disease. The antioxidant properties of olive oil contribute to its reputation for supporting overall wellness. 4. Cancer prevention. Antioxidants don't only protect against heart disease, but also play a crucial role in the potential benefits of olive oil in cancer prevention. Research suggests that olive oil may offer protective effects against certain types of cancer. The antioxidants in olive oil can reduce oxidative damage due to free radicals, which is a leading cause of cancer. In 2015, a clinical study published by Buckland and Gonzalez indicated that populations consuming diets high in olive oil have lower rates of colorectal and breast cancer. While more research is needed to fully understand the relationship between olive oil and cancer prevention, its consumption is considered beneficial in a balanced diet. 5. Weight management and diabetes prevention. 2 surprising benefits of olive oil are its effects on weight management and diabetes prevention. Contrary to the misconception that fats lead to weight gain, evidence suggests that olive oil can be beneficial in weight management. The monounsaturated fats in olive oil can help regulate insulin levels and blood sugar, which is crucial for preventing or managing diabetes. Furthermore, the healthy fats in olive oil can contribute to a feeling of fullness, therefore reducing the likelihood of overeating. A study conducted in 2014 has shown that diets rich in olive oil, even when not paired with calorie restriction, are associated with weight loss and improved metabolic health. Therefore, embracing olive oil, particularly extra virgin olive oil, as a staple in daily consumption, can pave the way to a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. Now let's discuss how you can incorporate this amazing oil into your diet. Incorporating olive oil into your diet is not only beneficial for your health, but also easy to achieve. Before we delve into it, it is important to note that different types of olive oil are not created equal. In order for you to reap the full benefits of olive oil from your diet, you must use the highest quality olive oil, which is extra virgin olive oil. With that said, here are a few ways to enjoy extra virgin olive oil and maximize its health benefits and flavor. 1. Raw consumption for maximum benefits. Start your day with a tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil on an empty stomach to leverage its digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits. Some people mix it with a bit of lemon juice to enhance its detoxifying effects. 2. Salad dressings. Mix extra virgin olive oil with vinegar or lemon juice, salt and herbs to create a simple, healthy dressing for any salad. The raw consumption ensures you get all the antioxidants and phenolic compounds without degrading them through heat. 3. Sautéing vegetables. Extra virgin olive oil can be used for light sautéing over low to medium heat. It adds a rich flavor to vegetables, making your dishes more palatable and nutritious. 4. Baking. Substitute butter or other fats with extra virgin olive oil in baking for a healthier option. It's particularly good in cakes or bread, contributing to a moist texture and adding a subtle fruity flavor. 5. Enhancing flavors. Add extra virgin olive oil to cooked dishes, such as soups, stews, pastas, and pizzas, to enhance their flavors. This method also preserves the oil's nutritional profile since it does not expose the oil to high heat. 6. Dips. Use extra virgin olive oil as a dip for bread or fresh vegetables. Mix in some herbs and spices for added flavor. By incorporating extra virgin olive oil into your diet, you can enjoy its myriad of health benefits in a delicious and convenient way. Integrating it into your diet in place of less healthy fats can help you harness its nutritional advantages without consuming excessive calories. So moderation is key. When taking raw, most people take 1 or 2 tablespoons a day. When consumed as part of a balanced diet, it can help with weight management, as already discussed. We will now cover some quick tips for choosing the best olive oil. The number 1 tip is to always buy quality olive oil. When you're buying olive oil, always look for cold-pressed extra virgin olive oil and high phenolic content. This guarantees that the oil is extracted from olives using mechanical means, without the use of heat or chemicals, retaining most of its properties. Secondly, pay attention to the harvest date to ensure freshness. Olive oil, unlike wine, does not improve with age. Check for a recent harvest date on the bottle and aim to use the oil within 18 to 24 months of that date. Harvest dates will vary depending on the region, but typically, Northern Hemisphere oils are harvested in the fall and Southern Hemisphere oils in the spring. Knowing where your olive oil comes from can give insights into its quality. Look for oil brands that specify the region of production, as certain areas like Italy are known for high-quality olives. Quality certifications by recognized bodies, like the International Olive Council or regional designations, can attest to the olive oil's authenticity and adherence to production standards. These often include organic certifications, PDO or Protected Designation of Origin, and PGI or Protected Geographical Indication labels. When it comes to storing your extra virgin olive oil, you have to take a couple of things into account. First, keep your olive oil in a cool, dark place to maintain its quality and health properties. Secondly, avoid heat and light, which can degrade the oil over time. The nutritional components of olive oil, such as monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, make it an invaluable asset for heart health, cholesterol management, and overall well-being. Its widespread health benefits underscore the importance of including olive oil as a staple in a balanced and healthy diet. This brings us to the end of this video, and hope that you found it educational and helpful. If you enjoyed learning about the health benefits of olive oil and how you can incorporate it into your diet, please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and feel free to browse our library of other topics. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.